Your Wix site has a contact form and a booking widget. Your tracking is limited to basic Wix analytics and a manually installed metapixel. In this video, I will show you how to install GTM on Wix correctly and build complete server-side conversion tracking. Hi, I'm Zubayer, Marketing Attribution, Conversion Tracking and Server-Side Tracking Specialist. Wix has hundreds of millions of websites. Most Wix users have incomplete tracking. GTM installation on Wix is non-standard. Today, the correct method and the full server-side setup. Wix has two routes to add GTM: marketing integrations and Wix Velo. Most tutorials recommend marketing integrations because it is the simpler path, but it has a critical limitation. Marketing integrations GTM does not fire on Wix bookings pages or Wix stores checkout. For complete coverage, including bookings and purchases, you need Wix Velo. Wix Velo requires a premium Wix plan. If you only need tracking on standard pages, marketing integrations is acceptable for those pages. In Wix, open the site editor. Enable Wix Velo via the dev mode toggle. In the public and files panel, open masterpage.js and paste the GTM snippet. Replace the placeholder with your actual container ID and publish. Wix native contact forms fire a JavaScript event. Create a custom HTML tag in GTM to listen for the Wix form submitted messages. Then create a custom event trigger in GTM that fires whenever a form is submitted. Wix Bookings fires events in its own iframe. Create a page view trigger in GTM for URLs containing booking confirmation. This reliably indicates a completed booking. Push a data layer event to capture the service name. Update your J for config tag server container URL to your Stape custom domain. In step, create server-side Google Ads and Meta Kabai tags triggering on your custom lead and appointment event names. Wix forms don't always support hidden fields. Use a GTM custom HTML tag to write attribution data like GCL ID and UTMs to session mention. On submit, read this data and include it in your data layer push for the server. Visit the site with a test GCL ID. Verify GTM files in preview. Submit the form and complete a booking. Check the Stape server preview to ensure both events reach the container and all server tags fire. The results: GTM fires across all Wix pages via Velo. Form submissions and bookings are tracked as server-side conversions. Google Ads and Meta Kabai receive events bypassing ad blockers, and attribution data is fully captured. If your Wix site has incomplete conversion tracking, message me on WhatsApp or book a free 30-minute audit. Subscribe for weekly tracking tutorials. Don't scale ads with broken tracking. Fix the infrastructure first. Track revenue, not just clicks.